Hello, my name is Pablo. This is my project Compara2, which in English means compared. I'm from Concepcion in Chile. Well, this is my project. Um, it is a project where I compare prices from supermarket alcohols, so you can see them standing next to each other, so you can see exactly which one is cheaper. And I separated them for by categories. So rum, whiskey, vodka, etc. And each one has this tag, which means from which supermarket it is. So you can see that you can actually see which one is cheaper than the other. So you can have the best price. Also, I use this pagination macro, which enables the user the opportunity to navigate through pages, and also here I can type some query and it will redirect me to another template where give me all the products found and all the projects exactly like all the other categories. I can see here the offers and it will give me all the offers from all the products in these two supermarkets. It was made with two scribing programs using Selenium Beautiful Soup. The application is made with Flask, Jinja, and some help from MDB Material Design Bootstrap webpage. My name is Pablo. This was CS50.